In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download design with a clickable link in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make part of your Canva design clickable and export it so the link works when someone opens your file. Start by opening your project in Canva. Give it a second to load so everything is editable. Once you're in, decide which element you want people to click. Text is the most common choice because it looks natural to click words like "learn more" or "visit website," but you can also link a shape, an icon, or even a button you designed. Keep in mind that simpler, clearly labeled elements tend to get more clicks, so choose something obvious and easy to see. Click to select the element, then right-click on it. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Link. Go ahead and click that. You'll see a field where you can paste your web address. Paste the full URL, including the HTTPS part, to avoid broken links. If you're linking to a specific page, copy that exact address from your browser to make sure it's precise. When you're happy with it, click Done. That's it. The link is now attached to the element in your design. A quick tip here. Make the linked text or element visually clear. Use a contrasting color or a brief call to action so viewers know it's clickable. Canva doesn't automatically underline links in the editor, so a small styling tweak can help people recognize it as a link at a glance. Now it's time to download your design so the link stays active. Choose to download it as a PDF. This is important because formats like PNG or JPG are images and don't keep clickable links. PDF preserves interactivity, so your link will work when someone opens the file. If you're choosing between PDF options, either standard or print will keep the link. The key is that it's a PDF. After the download finishes, open the PDF on your computer or in your browser and test the link by clicking the element you linked. It should take you directly to the web address you pasted. If it doesn't open, check that the URL was entered correctly and that your PDF viewer allows clickable links. And that's all you need. You selected your element, added the link, downloaded as a PDF, and verified it works. Simple, clear, and effective. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing your Canva design with a clickable link.